It's November 28th, and all night. See, there we go. My ears are ringing off the hook. Hello. And I'm watching them whiz past my face. And behind me and next to me. Oh, they're huge. And next to the bed, and like they do. This room is a mess. Forgive me, but I'm in the process of getting rid of all this, blacking out the windows, throwing out the blinds. We're renovating. So the room is a horrible, horrible mess. And that's what happens when you renovate, I guess. Me, I have to tear shit up. I live so big, oh my god. Before I can make it nice. So I apologize for the looks. Oh, those are freaking big. Big and white. It's been a while. And it's been a while because I'll get multiple colors, or I'll get pink, blue, but all white. And last time I think I got all white was Easter, that we were on lockdown. I cannot believe how big they are. My ears have been ringing off the hook for, God, hours and hours and hours. And I'm like, I should probably do this before they stop ringing, because when they ring like this, I know why. Oh, hello. And it's because of the activity. I've also been very nauseous. And when there's, that was beautiful, 1 minute, 50 seconds. That had multiple colors in it. Oh, those two were kissing cousins. This is crazy. And my boy, he's just sitting here watching. I'm watching. That's my laundry. That's how I designate what's clean and what's not. Isn't that terrible? Terrible. It's like 20 degrees out. We had a wicked snowstorm yesterday. Blizzard. White out. But I don't know if it's stuck. Because I dare not go out in that cold. There's glitter all over my phone, but not on my hands. That's okay. And the cats have just been up and down, back and forth. And, I gotta pop my ear now. And it won't pop. It just, you know how the allergies are this time of year? Always big. Loop-de-loop. I haven't seen loop-de-loop in a while. Oh. And this is like Paul, the orb whisperer, would say you could push and you could pull. Paul, I still think of different things that you have shown us and we have learned and borrowed from you. When I changed the ratio, they look so small. Oh, and I'm getting like hot flashes, crazy hot flashes. Which for some reason, when it's crazy like this, I get queasy. I've been saying this for years. They are flying. I get, that one has wings. Queasy and overheated. My face looks like it's on fire, but I dare not show anybody. I haven't thrown any energy strings in a while. I haven't seen that in a long time. But, oh my god, I'm hot. I have to stop. Wow, it's crazy. I'm gonna have to put a fan on because I am on fire. Yes, girl is on fire. Oh my goodness. Oh, shit. Okay, let's see. Where'd he go? Where's my boy? So yes, little by little things are getting pulled out of this room. I got the peel and stick blackout stuff for the windows. So Leanne said she'd get started on that Monday, which I'm very much looking forward to that. Because it's like, in the morning, it's like, whenever the sun comes up now that it's November, December, It's like, who turned? I actually one day asked my kid to shut the lights off, and it was the sun. It's how bright it gets in here. And then the summer makes it hot, hot, hot. Hot, hot, hot. So I will be blacking out the windows. That was pretty. 5 minutes, 14 seconds. That went through. That looked when you like a rainbow going through a light prism. It's really busy in here. Oh my god, they're so big. Sometimes when they're big like that, they go through me. The floor's got to be vacuumed too. And I'm a horror show. I dare not chill myself. Although I'm not broken out, praise God, like I normally am, because I've been doing baby wipe baths, which is sad. But I think I'm allergic to the water in my building. And now they replaced all the door buzzers, except mine. Mine wouldn't go. Just like my lights don't ever work when I touch them. So they said we don't know when we'll be back or if we'll be back, which means people have to call my phone. Did you see that? Stop by itself and get stuck. They have to tell me that they're outside, and then they gotta wait for me to go downstairs. That one looked fuzzy. Sometimes, like I say, when it's like this, they gonna sound crazy, but you could see them go through my body. And my hands are hot. Do you see the red? They're starting to burn. And I get like burn marks on my hands. They just appear. So now, like I said, it was hot, hot, hot. Now that's not makeup or anything. That's just the burning. Sometimes I get it just right in the center of my hand. And my therapist says that's very, stigmata-like. Alright, forget it. But yeah, my hands are starting to burn. And I guess that's the energy. And no, I have not had this surgery yet. But if I do the surgery, how's my house going to stay clean? Because my kid doesn't do anything. So, yeah, that's just hot, burning. You know, I just wanted to see one go in and out of me. But, no, I guess not. Scary. We're not going to even show myself. Very frightening. Very frightening. Oh, and I wanted to see where else. Was it just the bedroom? Nope. Not just the bedroom. But mainly, it's not crazy in here. Oh, there they are. Yeah, they are. The bedroom is crazier. And it's, like I said, it's Sunday now, 4 in the morning. I'm on fire. And, my right ear, I can't even tell you my ears ring so loud that when the buzzer does work, I can't hear it. Alright. Well, I haven't posted in a while, so I'm glad that my beautiful orbs came by to say hello. Big white ones and multiple beautiful colors. I'm gonna get some great screenshots out of this. And I am gonna post this on YouTube. And I usually have my little Christmas lights on. And this all covered because I like tight spaces. Yeah, it's the big wide open sometimes that I have issues with. I used to wake up in the closet when I was little. Most people have to come out. I went in. But that was then. In the closet. That's my mom used to find me. And a little tidbit about me. But yeah, so it's crazy in here. And 9 minutes, 17 seconds. I talked enough. I am going to post this. I hope everybody is well and safe. I miss all of you. And I hope you all had a happy Thanksgiving. Be safe and well this holiday season. And thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching. Thank you for commenting. Peace, love, and light to each and every one of you. Peace.